Summer Car Care, your ultimate prep guide. Are you ready to hit the road this summer? Don't let car trouble ruin your vacation. This guide will walk you through everything you need to do to prepare your car for the heat and ensure a smooth, safe, and enjoyable summer driving experience. Your car's cooling system is its first line of defense against overheating. Summer heat puts extra stress on your engine, so a well-maintained cooling system is crucial. Overheating can cause serious engine damage, leading to costly repairs. Check your coolant levels regularly. The coolant reservoir should be between the min and max lines. If it's low, top it off with the correct antifreeze shock water mixture. Using the wrong mixture can reduce its effectiveness. Consider a coolant flush and replacement if needed. Over time, coolant can become contaminated and lose its ability to protect your engine. A flush removes old coolant and replaces it with fresh fluid. Inspect hoses and belts for cracks and wear. These components can deteriorate over time, leading to leaks and breakdowns. Replace them if necessary to prevent problems on the road. A burst hose can quickly lead to overheating. Ensure your radiator cap is functioning properly. The radiator cap maintains pressure in the cooling system, which raises the boiling point of the coolant. A faulty cap can cause coolant to boil over. Finally, check your air conditioning system. Make sure it's blowing cold air. If not, have it serviced by a professional. Proper AC is essential for comfort and safety, especially on long summer drives. Summer heat can be just as hard on your car battery as winter cold. High temperatures accelerate corrosion and evaporation, shortening the battery's lifespan. A dead battery can leave you stranded. Have your battery tested to ensure it holds a charge. Most auto parts stores offer free battery testing. This will give you an idea of your battery's overall health. Clean the terminals to remove corrosion. Corrosion can interfere with the battery's ability to deliver power. Use a wire brush and a baking soda solution to clean the terminals. Consider replacing your battery if it's nearing the end of its lifespan. A battery typically lasts 3 to 5 years. Summer heat can be the final stressor that causes an old battery to fail. Summer driving often involves higher speeds and longer distances. This puts extra stress on your tires. Proper tire maintenance is essential for safe handling and fuel efficiency. Check your tire pressure regularly. Use a tire pressure gauge to ensure your tires are inflated to the recommended pressure. You can find the correct pressure on a sticker inside your driver's side door or in your owner's manual. Heat increases tire pressure. Be sure to check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, before driving. Overinflating your tires can lead to a blowout. Ensure adequate tread depth. Tread depth is crucial for safe handling, especially on wet roads. Use a tread depth gauge or the penny test to check your tread. If it's too low, replace your tires. Consider rotating your tires. Rotating your tires promotes even wear and extends their lifespan. Consult your owner's manual for the recommended rotation pattern. Maintaining proper fluid levels is essential for optimal performance. Check these fluids regularly to prevent problems. Low fluid levels can lead to serious engine damage. Check and top off your engine oil. Use the correct viscosity for summer temperatures. Consult your owner's manual for the recommended oil type. Check and top off your power steering fluid. Low power steering fluid can make it difficult to steer your car. Listen for any unusual noises when turning the wheel. Check and top off your brake fluid. Brake fluid is essential for safe braking. Low brake fluid can indicate a leak in the system. Check and top off your windshield washer fluid. A clean windshield is essential for clear visibility. Use a washer fluid that is designed for summer conditions. Summer driving conditions often involve more stop-and-go traffic. This puts extra stress on your brakes. A well-maintained brake system is crucial for safety. Inspect your brakes for wear and tear. Listen for any squealing or grinding noises when braking. These noises can indicate worn brake pads. Check your brake pads, rotors, and calipers. Make sure the brake pads have sufficient thickness. Inspect the rotors for cracks or damage. Ensure the calipers are functioning properly. Don't forget these other important considerations to ensure your car is ready for summer. These small details can make a big difference. Replace worn wiper blades. Summer rainstorms can be sudden and intense. Ensure clear visibility by replacing worn wiper blades. Wash and wax your car. This protects the paint from sun damage. Waxing also helps to keep your car looking its best. Ensure your emergency kit is well stocked. Include jumper cables, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and water. Be prepared for any unexpected situations. Use a sunshade. This protects your dashboard and interior from heat damage. A sunshade can also help to keep your car cooler. By taking these proactive steps, you can reduce the risk of breakdowns and ensure a safe and enjoyable summer. Regular maintenance keeps your car running smoothly. Attention to detail will help you avoid costly repairs. Ready to hit the road with confidence? Download our free summer car care checklist in the description below. Share this video with your friends and family to help them prepare their cars for summer too. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful car care tips and tricks. Let's make this summer your best driving season yet.